So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend like we're selling a product. The product, because I'm just a teacher with not very many awesome supplies, is I'm just gonna pretend like this eraser, cap eraser, is a product that we're gonna sell.
That's awesome.
And we're gonna pretend like maybe the product cost me about $5 to make, and I wanna sell it, I wanna make a profit, I wanna make money. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to sell it for 20 bucks. All right? When I'm trying to sell my product for 20 bucks, I put it out there and I get a few buyers. People who say, I'll pay $20 for that. So my sumo wrestlers, they come over, they want to buy it. Shakespeare's down, he says, I'll buy it. Richard Parker, the tiger, he'll want to buy it.
I want it.
All right, so I get 4 buyers on my product. All right, so I get to sell 4 of them at 20 bucks a piece. How much am I gonna make?
$80.
All right, so 4 times 20 equals 80. Now remember, they cost me about $5 each to make, right? So that's 4 times 5 is what?
20.
So minus 20. My profit, $80 minus 20, my profit is $60, right? Now, according to supply and demand, we want to make sure we're at a balance. So let's say I want to get more buyers. I want to see if I can change where my profit balance is. So let's see if I've got the supply. What do I want to do?
Lower the price.
I want more buyers.
Lower the
I'm
price.
going to lower the price, okay? So I'm going to change the price to 15 instead of 20. At $15, Marie Antoinette is going to come be a buyer.
What happened to our head?
It's Marie Antoinette. Stitch is going to be a buyer. R2D2 is going to be a buyer. And Wild Thing is going to be a buyer. Alright, so I've got 8 buyers now, and I'm selling 8 of them, but I'm only selling them for $15. So let's do some quick math. Alright, so 8 times 15. So total money made is 120, but I'm selling twice as many, and they do cost it still cost me $5 to make. So what's 5 times 8?
40.
40. Okay, so 120 minus 40. My total profit is $80. I made more money.
Yes.
I made more money. So maybe we should keep lowering the price and get more buyers in. Maybe I'll keep making more money. What do you guys think?
Yeah, that's great.
All right, so I'm going to lower the price to $10. I'm going to lower the price to $10, and Thor he's in on $10. Don't knock over my sumo wrestling. Spider-Man's okay at $10. James P. Sullivan says he'll buy at $10. And Captain Jack will buy at $10. Alright, so now I'm selling 12 of them. Let's do some quick math. Alright, so I got 12 times 10, 120 bucks, minus my costs, which is $5 times 12, which is what?
60.
Hey, does everybody understand that? 5 times 12 is 60.
So smart, man.
So my profit, 120 minus 60 is
60.
60. So wait a second. I made 60 at $20. I made 80 at $15. I made 60 at $10. Have I found my sweet spot?
Yes.
How much do I want to charge these?
15.
Which one of the 3 made the most amount of money?
15.
Oh, yeah, 15.
15. When I sell it for 15, I make the largest profit. Does everybody understand that?
But you got supplies.
Well, yeah, but now I know how many I need to make and how much to sell them for.
Yeah, that's cool. $15.
All right.
Good job. Yeah.